excuse the footwear. I accidentally broke a toe the other day, so I don't really fit any good shoes on my feet right now. Hey friends, new week, new project, and it's crazy times right now. I have so much to do. Is there a glare in my glasses? I'll take them off for a second. I have so much to do with the move and everything. So, you know, I'm working full-time, more than full-time. I'm studying more than full-time, and I have a move. That came like a total surprise, so I didn't have much time to prepare at all. But yeah, so we're moving in 5 weeks. I'm incredibly stressed. And yeah, so I decided this week I want something easy, something satisfying, something that can just take my mind off things for a little bit. So this week I'm going to make the simplest of skirts. Basically just a long tube, and I'm using this fabric. How gorgeous is that? This is a jersey, and it is really good quality. I really love it. I adore this color. The first time I saw it, I fell head over heels in love, and I knew I just had to have it. So we are making a long skirt. I'm seeing myself wearing this skirt the night we have moved and everything is done. All the beds are in their right places and their beds are made and all that. And you know, when you just take a shower and you can finally breathe a little. And then I'm going to wear this. That's what I'm thinking anyway. So what I'm going to do, I have quite a large piece here. It is, I'm not sure how big this is. But what I'm thinking is I'm just going to cut 2 rectangles. So basically I'm just going to cut this to whatever length I want. And then I'm going to cut the side that isn't already open, because I do want a seam in each side. I feel that it makes it more stable. And well, technically I could probably finagle out a dress from this, but I'm not going to do that because I have to deal with the neckline and all that. So I'm just going to make a simple skirt because I want something quick and easy and satisfying that I can just enjoy without, you know, make without thinking. And this is such an easy garment to make. It is also so versatile. You can use it, you know, in so many different situations. You know, black sweater with this fall, or just a black short sleeve top, you know, whatever. And I have measured. I do have, well, measured and measured. I held it up to my body and decided that, see if I can avoid the microphone. The width, as it is folded now, should be pretty much enough for, you know, half my circumference. So I'm simply going to use the fabric as folded, just hold it up and decide how long I want it, cut it there, cut the sides. Then I'm going to overlock it, all the edges on both rectangles, stitch it together in the sides, just fold the top over, stitch it in place, add some elastic. Got some here from the sports bra that I can use for this project as well. Should be actually a perfect size for that. And then hem it. And you know, sometimes you just need these quick and easy, satisfying projects to, you know, to feel better. And still, it's an item that will make a huge difference in your wardrobe. So yeah, let's measure the length which I'm going to do simply by holding it up to my body and deciding how long I want it to be. And then we start cutting. Yeah. We're done. It's very windy outside, so I hope you can hear me. I did put the fluffy cap on my microphone, so I hope that helps. But here is the finished skirt, aka my happy pill. Excuse the footwear. I accidentally broke a toe the other day, so I don't really fit any good shoes on my feet right now. Also, I'm all black and blue and all that, so I put on some socks so you don't have to see that. But yeah, I guess it matches my skirt, which is also, well, turquoise, bluish and black. But like I said, this is a really easy, quick make. Such a treat to have in the wardrobe. And I gave it some extra space because, you know, I'm on the heavy side. And I also actually tried it on with this, I had a black dress, kind of simple summer thing. And I realized that this could actually work as a layering piece underneath it, because that dress is just below knee length. And this is even longer. It actually looked really good. So yeah, I'm very happy with this. It's a color that makes me happy. It's a sewing project that makes me happy because it's so quick and easy. It's so comfortable. So I'm for sure going to wear this a lot. So if you want to make something to add to your wardrobe that is and happy. Actually, I think I figured out that I bought about 1.20 and 20 centimeters of fabric. But you know, basically just make sure the width of the fabric is enough to go around you, and then you can just buy the length, as much length as you need. And I have quite a large piece left over, so that's an easy way to figure out how much fabric you need for this. And I just did some elastic, just folded it up and added some elastic inside, and on the sides here I did some top stitches of just a few zigzags just on the sides, just to keep the elastic in place so that it doesn't flip around while wearing and washing and all that. So yeah, very happy with this. And the amazing thing is that when I lose weight, please note I said that. Don't we all wish to lose weight? I can just take it in and make it smaller. So this is like a, I don't know, forever garment. I am for sure going to be using it a lot. Oh, I'm sorry, I'm crying. The wind is making my eyes tear up terribly. But yeah, this week feeling, I guess it's a bit of a sewing thing I've been doing this week, and I feel better now. I feel more ready to tackle all the moving boxes and packing up stuff and my studies and all the things. Yeah. So that's it for this week, and I'll see you next week. Bye.